Did you know that the mobile phone with an internet connection is one of the best and biggest instruments for making money online? I'll go over a variety of techniques in this video to make money with an internet-connected phone. If you want to discover other websites and ways to generate money with your phone, watch this video through to the finish. We'll cover a variety of methods and suggestions for generating income using only your smartphone. The initial ways to make money on your phone are through online surveys and market research. This way of making money has the advantage that no upfront payment is necessary. All you have to do is devote a lot of time to answering multiple surveys from various brands and businesses about their goods and services. You can broaden this method of making money on your phone by downloading several survey websites or survey apps. Another choice is to engage in additional lucrative activities like referring people to different survey websites. You don't need a computer or laptop to start this, all you need is your phone. Many survey applications make it possible for anyone to take part and receive money and other perks, making it available to everyone in the world. If you are not familiar with internet surveys, I can instead refer to them as market research. It entails answering questions about the goods and services of different brands on numerous web forums. That is the first way to make money on your phone without spending any money. The second way you may make money on your phone is by playing mobile games. This is one of the ways that online gaming is growing at the moment, since new games are being made every day that are willing to pay you for your time. They are making money, or you are exchanging goods and services with them, by having you watch brief advertisements in between game sessions and other activities. This is another practical method for making money or making the best use of your smartphone, especially in light of the prevalence of free online gaming. Before picking up your phone to play the next game, think about how much money you can make from it. If not, simply be aware that you can make up for it with a game that is comparable to or of a similar sort. The third way to make money on your phone is to download investment or investment-related apps. There are several investing apps, some of which cater to people all over the world and others that are exclusive to your country, so you must do some research to find out which investment apps are the best ones for you. Although there is a tiny initial investment required for this method, I think it is one of the best ways to make money off your smartphone. The great thing is that many of these apps may be used without having to invest tens of thousands of dollars at first. With little initial commitment, you may progressively grow your assets and your portfolio, improving your chances of making money. Utilizing your smartphone to complete numerous gigs, small jobs, or micro tasks is the next way to get money. Other programs, including ClickWorker, Micro Workers, and several others, let you perform a variety of jobs. Another sector that is growing is this one. By responding to these job adverts, you can make money. Online employment opportunities could include answering surveys, hunting for particular photos, annotating videos, and creating quick films and images. You can have other professions that call for you to travel to the city, go to shopping malls, and do other things like that. Several apps, including Field Agent, allow you to carry out brief tasks for remuneration. Another way to make money using only your phone doesn't take any work on your part. You need to check your email and use your phone to take and send pictures, so you may give money. This is another way to use your mobile device more efficiently. The next suggestion is to work as a freelancer. You do not necessarily have to own a computer unless you are a freelancer working on a project that makes use of one. You may accomplish a lot of your freelancing work with a mobile device. The good news is that many freelance marketplaces, such as Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and Glass, are available. You can download and install mobile applications from door to browse a variety of chances. Many of these options are accessible via your phone. A cell phone with this information and an internet connection is one of the most powerful tools you'll ever have for creating a source of income. As a result, think about freelancing even if you only have a cell phone. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe.